While exploring the forgotten community of Richmond in the Blue Mountain Valley of St. Thomas, I got so caught up in the beauty of the landscape that I completely lost track of time. Before I knew it, the sun had slipped behind the mountains and the darkness began to fall much faster than I expected. As I made my way back, I suddenly remembered something I had found earlier on my journey into Richmond. The thought of it made my imagination race. Out here, with the
My
road
vehicle
getting
coming, I saw
darker
the light them
and the
bright.
silence
I'm
closing
sure I
in,
saw late in the
I
night.
couldn't help but wonder what might be waiting just beyond the next bend.
Yeah guys, so we're going further down into the community of Richmond Gap, heading down to Randui. Yeah, so follow me. This looks like a community center. Yeah, it looks like a community center. I'm not sure if they're used to. Richmond View Community Center. So we're heading down to Landui, guys. We're in the community of Richmond View, heading down into the community of Landui in the old parish of St. David, which is now St. Thomas. Yeah. So we're going to check out the old water wheel down in Landui, and also checking to find out if this community is really going abandoned. You know? Which it doesn't seem that way to me. It's just the roads are bad. Yeah guys, that's the long road we're going down. River is still down there, guys. We still haven't seen any man-made structures on the rivers yet. So we're going as far as to see the water wheel down in Landui. However, I'm trying to show you all whatever historic sites I find along the way. Yeah? The water catchment. Dark water did I? See if water did I can get some. Water low up this side, guys. And I see the water run low. Water cool like ice. So I'm gonna take some now and see if nothing will come out first. water they well cool. We'll go down further, down to Landui. So yesterday, or in the last video, we entered St. David's from the Albion point, and today we entered from the Richmond point. Alright. There's a truck over there going up to that yard up there. Heading down further, apple tree. Apple not upon the tree though. No blossoms, so no apples are on the tree. There are a lot of apple trees though. River is still down there. River on the wrong side of the road. That's down in the community down there. River is still running down there. This place is cool. And the water out of the spring a while ago. Cool. So cool. And these waters up here come out of the hills, so they're, what do I call it? Edible, palatable, can drink. Yeah, drinkable. So we'll go down further. There's a house down here. See that bird there? River. Got the hillside, guys. So we're in Richmondville, heading down into Landui, in the old parish of St. David, which is now St. Thomas. Heavy equipment. Apple tree. What's over here? Whoa, this is like a pond. I know this all. It's an old catchment. Guys, this is a colonial catchment, you know, you see that? You see stone them. We found one like this up in that place, I don't remember the name. Up in Stanton, but it wasn't in use. Here, this is an old catchment. So what over here, so maybe we them here to the waterway. I so love exploring these communities. The river scene here, no water here. River down there. Bless. Family plot over there. Lots of apple trees around here. The shop over there. Guys, one more spring. Springs are dripping. I'm gonna drink some of this still water. Cool. So I took them out of the fridge. Yeah. We'll go down further. Let's see the river over there. Water. Aki tree. Apple. So many apple trees around here, guys. Lots and lots of apple trees. Over there. So we're in Richmond, the community of Richmondville, heading down into Landui. We're going as far as we have to go to find the water wheel, which is on the riverside. Alright, so yeah, we'll follow me. And for those who always ask, my name is Alex. Alright? Yeah, man. It's a huge boulder. I thought it was a wall. Go down further. Coffee. Lots of coffee up here, guys. Spring is coming off the other side, guys. Some of them just a drip, some of them are run heavy. Where the water come from, really? Under the ground? Like, seriously? Because we drink this and look, guys. We literally can drink this. Yo, and the water cool, the water tastes good, the water tastes better than the water in the bottle. Yeah? This is what these people literally drink. As the young man tell me just now, I never get him on camera still up at the last water spout. I saw him drinking and I asked him how it tastes. I must say this cool, man, this we drink, man. But if you notice them have the things them in the pipe or the something in it to catch the water. You know? It's natural water. And it's healthier, and I think, guys, I don't know, some I feel like that's why people live in areas like these, they live to be 103 and 105, while people living at the Kingston and the city part of Jamaica, them live to be 75 and 80. What do you think? But them water are nice, man, it's clean. It just tastes natural, you can literally taste it clean. You know? We'll go down further in the community of Richmondville, heading down to Landui. As far as we have to go to see the water wheel, because there's a water wheel down here. Don't go lead going up there, so yeah. So we'll go down further. Guys, I have to walk, go back up, you know, up to Bethel, you know. Yeah. But yeah, if you're still here with me, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know, type still here. If you're enjoying the video, type enjoy. If you want me to walk faster, type walk. Help me walk, just type walk and help me walk, yeah? Yeah, man, if you journey too long, type that too. Tell me so the journey too long. Alright, so we'll head down further down in Richmond, then to Landui. I enjoy the walking still, no peeps. Yeah, man. And with a road like this, for water up on the road. Now, what kind of bugs still, but I still not drink none yet. I drink road water. Natural water. Now this rock seems to have rolled off the hill. You see right there? And and up there it come from. So me and the kids get out of here. Well, me go hear it when it comes still. Hopefully me can hear it and get her from it. That tree up there, can anyone tell me about that tree? Me showed the one earlier. Yeah? Tell me what you know about that tree there. Down there is getting further and further away. Deeper and deeper. Oh, I go down further. It's very green around here. It's so green and lovely. Now can you imagine one person own all of this property? The plantation, the Richmond estate, like the whole Richmond plantation. It's a lot of land. And the thing is, them never use all the land now, guys. Sometimes them we have all 1,000 acre, 800 acre. And guess what? If them use 40 or 50 acre, them use enough. Because them have the house and the works. The works are like 5 separate buildings. You know, workers' quarters, unpaid laborers, and yeah, them not really. And then the farming part, and they don't farm the whole of the land. They don't use the whole of the land. There is no plantation where I've ever been where all of the land was utilized. Them not use all of the land. They use a little piece of the land and left majority out in a bush. You know, yeah man. But we'll go down further. Yeah guys, and today we're not climbing a hill to get to where we're going. We're going downhill constantly. So when me done film and off cam and I go home and me alone I climb up them hill I go up the road. Yeah? And I click the like button and give me some energy to climb up the hills. Yeah? And tell me if you see the subscribe button. If you haven't yet subscribed, tell me if you see the subscribe button change color whenever time you touch it, alright? Because that is a YouTube feature. I mean, it's not capping. You can search for it on Google and them tell you, yeah? Yeah man, but tell me if you see that. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please, that really does help the channel. And tell me if the subscribe button change color and go in our like the color wheel. I don't like use the next term for the color there. But I don't know why they even use a color there. But anyway, yeah. Tell me what you see when you click the subscribe button. We'll head down further into Richmond, down into Landui to see the water wheel. And if I go downhill and tired, imagine when I go back up. Anyway, and follow me. Now watch the hillside over there, so up now the hills where I come from, you know. Hope them have to go back. So we'll go down further. Alright guys, so we're right here, yeah? And we have to come around on the road here, but look like it doesn't have no end. We come down here to Landui. I'm not sure if I can make it, but I'll try. Alright? Now follow me. Yeah guys, so it look like I did underestimate the journey if we go Landui. But I nah stop. If at 9 o'clock I reach back, I better tonight. No problem. I just want to reach Landui. So I go speed up a little. Alright? Get back to y'all. Look on the view over there, so guys. Pretty though. One thing, you know, when I know something I go far, I realize something how far to go down, I think, I get relaxed. I'm not worry about the time again, I just do what I do. It's so pretty over there. Yeah. I'll go back further down on the road here. So the thing is, if I never drive when I reach Landui, I just go straight Albion and take a taxi from Albion. Go back into my Bay, but then I drive, so I have to walk come back up on the road here. And I'm going from today. You know, mangoes. I know night I will catch me still. But I want to see the water wheel. And I want you guys to see it also. Yeah? The gully I get deeper and deeper the more we go down, you know. The way down this and now. I go down further. Look there. You see the gully get deep? The garbage, you give a reference as to how deep it is, but why them throw garbage over them closer? I can't understand how people do. Some boats and they say them literally bring the garbage come through over there. So I don't like that. Now look what over here, so like it's a funeral plot, a family plot. There should be a sign here. Nothing is here. This being down at the river, down at the farm, I think. Oh, somebody a bees box over there, so I'm not go over there. Somebody farm. Got the hill up there. Lovely. I'll go down further. There on bike, I come up the road. I ask him how far from here so to Landui. So I can't get my bearings right because I don't have no internet, guys. So I only see the natural map, I don't really see. But I see a lot of mangoes. At least I can eat mango. I get stranded. Yeah, look there, guys. Wow. You see that? I'm not even going to zoom in. That's pretty. Tell me if you want to photograph the guys. I'll send it to you in an email. Just send me your email address. How far from here to Landui? How far from here to Landui? Only per journey, about much mile?
8 miles.
How so far? Like from here to walk a better? More than that?
Yeah.
Oh. What may I look for? No, I drive the car park a better still. I walk, I think some could have walk and reach. I look for one historic site, one water wheel where they down in one corner. Some old slave ruins. You know for them there?
No.
Okay. Alright, I still try to see if I can reach.
Yeah, man, you reach it, man.
Alright, respect, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so I'm saying to Landui about 8 miles. Not kilometers, you know, 8 miles. And when I tell you something, when you're in a country and somebody tell us right around the corner, I literally 8 mile. So when somebody tell us 8 mile, guys, I don't know how much. About 16, 32. But yeah, far. But I still head down the road and see if I can find this water wheel. It's not all the way into the Landui square. It's before you get to the square. So I wonder if that's like 6 miles. So come I can cover that. So let me see what I want, alright? Look on that hill up there, so majestic, makes you feel so small. Beautiful. So I go down further. But then at the middle of nowhere now, guys. Yeah. We're in the Richmond Gap community. It don't look like nobody living at the community, as a matter of fact. Not abandoned, but it don't look like nobody living at the community. I came to see if this community was abandoned, but how many people live in Richmond? It don't look like even 100 people live in Richmond. Quite less than 100. Somebody let me know who is from the community. Just let me know, please. I'll go down further. Here, one next spring over here, so one spring there, guys. So the journey far, but at least you have water on the way. Yeah, we'll go down. Can you imagine our ancestors? Because back then people walked these roads Like you reach a Cedar Valley, you don't have no taxi come around them side. If a Landoway you go walk. You know, and if it was in an era before that, I would have the donkey cart. You know, but you have that period when people them had so much pride with them would have prefer walk down go up on the donkey cart. They walked alongside the donkey cart for that matter when them go to market. You know. But they walked these roads. So sometimes when I go somewhere, sometimes when I go on a journey and somebody I say, Lord God, it far, you know. Like we ancestors used to walk on these roads and walk longer journeys. And at the same foot they use, why we can't do it? You know? So yeah, I don't on the road here. Look at mango, guys. Here one bike come. Hold up a mango. That car. Bless. Go down further. These journeys really take a toll on the shoes. And no matter what kind of shoes you wear upon them journey, are the same thing. You know, because you know me walk a lot. I basically walk out of Jamaica, you know. Yeah. So guys, as you know, I have a PayPal. I'm not really share it because, as you know, I don't ask for donations. But if you all can donate to the PayPal, I would really appreciate it. You know, it help out. You know, it help with petrol. It help with a lot of stuff in regards to these explorations. Yeah. And then sometimes we see people we can offer some assistance to also, and it will help out that way there too. You know, so I'm gonna share the PayPal, and all of y'all who would like to donate to the channel, y'all can do so. Alright, and make sure I put this far down in the video, so only people who are interested in the video and watch to this point would have actually seen this. Yeah, blessings, and thanks to those of you who are supporting the channel, who subscribe to the channel and stuff like that. Alright, so with the power here, I go down further in Richmond. Don't know how far we're gonna get, but we're trying to get to Landoway. Can we get to Landoway? So that's the goal now, guys. That's the question. Can we get to Landoway? I don't know. So I'm dog there. Civilization the close. Hey doggy. Where you run for? Watch and turn back before you go on straight. Come. Where him that come from? Look how the road long. Where him I go? Maybe I'll somebody pass now on car. Maybe the car gone up the road, his owner was in the car. Because where could he be coming from? So if I can't get to Landoway, what I'm gonna do the next time is drive down into this community, get into Landoway, and then go find the cave. Alright? Yeah man. Anyhow, I can't reach the Landoway. Alright? Because when coming out on the road, guys, I prepare to film a 3-hour video. Alright, so I normally get 3 hours or 2 hours and something out of footage, which that when I finish edit, something up on my face, when I finish edit, it normally come down to an hour and a half or 40 minutes, something like that, and me almost reach my 3 hour out of footage because I walk for like 5 hours. Alright, so whenever time what am I say? Anyway it pop, anyway it broke, they say it pop. I don't remember what them would say, but yeah, something like that. Anyway it broke, they say it pop off. Alright, so yeah, anyway it marga, they say it pop. So we'll go down further. I want to show y'all everything, but then we have to cut camera sometimes if you save space, because we never come prepared to film over 3 hours, and that's reasonable. Like, who's gonna sit and watch a 3-hour video, you know? How long was Titanic? Titanic did over 3 hours long. I think The Killer or Hard Boiled or Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon was about 3 hours long though. Those are movies. But who sit down and watch a 3-hour video? I'm not doing that. So we're head down further. I love these places, and when I come to places like these, I kind of get excited and I chat too much, I know. But yeah, we're head down further. So cool around here. So guys, I get 2 mango. I'm gonna mash them up right now. So we'll head down further. Up that's where I come from. I got down further. They may look like a black mango, guys, but me tell you how kind of mango. Black mango, guys. They're nice. Yellow skin black mango. So beautiful over there, guys. Now look down this one. It's a huge house down here. Really huge. Yeah guys, so wherever we stop today, that's where we'll pick up from in the next video. Alright, and just the fact that we are going in the area already, we might as well, when we pick up, we just go ahead and go to Judgment Cliff. I know that my fellow colleague Jamaica One Lover done a documentary on the Judgment Cliff the other day. However, I still have some additional info where I think I have to go to the area. Alright, so when you let me know what you think, I'll go from your feedback. Alright, so now follow me. There's a house on the hillside down here. So this community of Richmond is really scanty. There's really no one living in the community. But may I go down further still, because yeah, I think at least 500 people should live in the community. But let me see, because I'm not seeing like there are any abandoned houses or anything like that. So maybe the community down further. That's the house of the really huge. So the land around here, people call it farmland, but if you have the resources and you want to buy a piece of land around here, trust me, like at least you can hear the breeze. Around here cool. Look on the view. I mean, and also the sea, but look on the view. And you have mango. But look on the view, guys. You know. And if you're in a position where you can have a helipad, that even make it even nicer, because you're in the area for that. A lot of people up here have helipads. You know, they use helicopter. So yeah. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get a taxi or a drive per se to go back up into Bethel And me there I plan to me I walk to the extent of my foot them can go until I see the water wheel and then I figure out how I go back up. But what if I do that and then I can't get a drive? You know, when my foot them stop work, them just stop work. Remember that video I did when I went across the Kuno Pass and my foot them feel me and I have a bad foot. So I think about that. But anyway, I want to see the water wheel, so I head down the road. This is a view, guys. You know, look on the view here. Chano. As I say, any picture y'all see, any scenery y'all see and you want it, just let me know the timestamp and I'll email it to you. Yeah. Hello. But this is beautiful. All the way around there. Around there. Look at the view, guys. What would you say about this view? Type the word, one word, to describe this view in the comment section down below. Head down further. I don't think we're gonna see a view like this again on this journey, so I get as much of it as we can. Let's see how much different hills and mountains we see. Look down there. I down there so the other day, you know, guys, down in a Easington, you know, but a way down so. You see the hill them and the sun, the right, now the sky, right, they say it's so beautiful. Look on the hillside there. The hillside is big, it make you feel small. You can imagine if you watch on TV, let me know. Type TV in the comment section down below. And let me know how it looks on your television. Let me know how that imposing hill looks on your television, alright? So we'll go down further. Drop off to it now, guys. If you ever drop on yourself, problem no man. Guys, where you see the wires going, that's where the road go. And look on the hills. I don't show them hill we have to go still now, guys. I underestimate the journey by far. Look at the hills up there. Where I come from up there, so. Yeah, guys, so I think we can get as far as the Windsor Forest coffee plantation, the coffee factory, the coffee works. It's still up and running up to this day. I think we can get as far as there, but I don't think it's possible for us to walk to land do it today. We would have to start from 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, it's really disappointing because I really wanted to see the water wheel, but hopefully there is something done by Windsor Forest, because it was a colonial, my shades and bug peeps, it was a colonial coffee plantation. Look over there, so. So we'll head down further, see if we can get down to Windsor Forest. I think we're in Windsor Forest, I think, but we want to get to the Windsor Forest Coffee Estate. Yeah, river look big down there, you know, guys. Yeah, river big. Look there. See the river, the peeps. River big. Come on, I'm gonna drop off here. See the river down there, so guys. You see how far down it there now? And we are go down, so the river literally have go down to me. Have to me literally have to leg off of the wall and dress back. The way I'm afraid of heights. Yo, not the far, you know, guys. How we down so? Anyway, we are go down further. Yo, that's really high. The river the way down so. So we're up in the mountains. So I'm trying to see if I can get as far as the Windsor Forest Coffee Estate or Coffee Factory. Yeah. So guys, I want to show you something. Alright, and look there. And see how the sun has shine. The whole place bright. And look there. Alright, I'm showing now what time. Look at what time. 16 after 5. I'm there in the middle of nowhere and things are after 3. I'm gonna have to go find my way back out of the bush to get back to Bethel, which is already about 8 miles. And the man did say 8 miles to go down, so which me not think I cut off 2 miles off right yet. You know? So we're not gonna make it today. It has to be another day. Because I think I won't get back up to Bethel until about 7:30, almost 8 o'clock. Yeah, and I'm still going down. Yes. So I go down further. I really want to go as far as I can as to the amount of footage I can film today, but even that not look possible because the time really catch up, and because we are up in the hills it look as if it's early, but it's actually late. Hours in the evening now. So I'm just going a bit down further and see about that. There are some houses down here, not a lot. You see how the sun bright, guys? Can you believe it's after 5 already? Cause 17 or 5, 16 or 4, 17 or 5, 18 or 6. I see the sun just about to go over the hill. But because we're already up in the hills, we still see the sun. If we did that down on the flat, we wouldn't see the sun. It would have gone over the hill already. So I was being tricked by the sun all along, and I didn't know. Anyway, I'll go down a little further. As long as there is sunlight, there's a way. As long as there's a will, there's a way. I'm using the sunlight. at the hillside. Like if you all live up this side still, you know, have no neighbor really, you know. This is for people like they're solitary, you know. People like to be alone. Lot of land space, I think. Land should be up here selling, and if you have land up here selling, you can let me know in the comment section down below. You can contact me at my phone number, so I can make people know. 21 on this mile post, 21 miles to Kingston. So we'll go down further. How much further? Can't say. There's a house down there. So you see there's a lot of land space up here. And I just get that nostalgia feeling there again. I look on the house down there. So right, I'm up here, so I'm not even want to go back home. I'm not even want to go back down the road. So I wall up this, guys. So I wall up this, you know. I wall up this. What up this? And trap going up there. What are people property? I wall up this, peeps. You see it there? I wall up this. See there? That have to be colonial, that wouldn't be from now. So I don't want to take no check and go up there on a people property. I'm not going to do that. We're getting too much trouble because of that. Let's see if I can get it better on my phone. So all guys, going across, and as I say, it's colonial. You see that? But now we'll go up there still, you know. This a wall in this too. I'm not gonna go up there, it's people property. And I get not too much trouble for things like this from the other day. So I'm not gonna go up there. But that's a wall. And if the farmer see this video and wish to get in touch with me, I would really appreciate it. Yeah. Alright, so we'll go down further. It is really tempting to go up there. But I'm not gonna do it. Little property, you know. Someone could be close by even watching me. Even if I say I take a chance go up there, I'm gonna take chances. Cars over there. One main road that out there, so. You see that, guys? Which road that? I don't know which road that. Yeah, but I'm further still. Now look as if there any structure when I see again from the side here. That means it would be a lot, so then would have to go up there. But I'm not gonna trespass just to see a wall that I can't document properly because I wouldn't have no information about it anyway. Yeah, what's that over there? Oh, what's over there, sir? Oh, some flag. I thought it was flags of flow. Not the bush, I thought it was cars driving past. Yeah guys, so we're still heading down into Windsor Forest to see if we can get to the Windsor Forest coffee factory. If not, we would have to make a return trip where I drive down to wherever we stop and catch up from there, because this is definitely not gonna work out for today. It's almost 6 o'clock. Look up there, sir. On the other side. I'll go down further. I'm really disappointed that I'm gonna have to turn back and not finish the community. The riverside out there, so I have to go down further, guys. I want to see the river. I want to see one bridge somewhere down here, so one bridge must be somewhere down here, so across the river. Everybody big enough, peeps. That's how the Yellow River start. Okay. I want to see. I'll go down there. Blessed family.
Bless.
One bridge down there, so where the river you're going down?
Which way you going?
Straight down the road as far as we can see the river.
Yeah, man. Two bridge.
How far?
2 miles stops.
How much corner?
Couple corners well.
Alright, I'm not going to reach for now.
Or up ground, or up walk go down I crossing this, so one car gone down from the bottom.
Okay.
Come up back one 7-seater.
Okay, alright.
Just let me have and gone down from the bottom.
Alright, respect. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, guys, I'm set 2 miles. I want to see the river there. Like the bridge right go under. I'm curious, because the river there well wide enough. Like the Planting Garden River. So I want to see the bridge right run under. When was that bridge built? Signs. What's sign on a road sign? I don't think a road sign. Let me see what it's. L2 watershed. After lives, something another. Shelter, better lives. It not say nothing about the area. Look down man. The river the down there, so guys, want to see the river. It's big, and there have to be a bridge. There has to be a bridge. See the river the down there, so peeps. There has to be a bridge. So on a road going down here, so. Oh God, a little lookout point here. This is a good place to close the video today, guys. I don't think Windsor Forest. Yeah, guys, we're in Windsor Forest. Windsor Forest Eco Village. Experience Jamaica naturally. Yeah, guys, we're in Windsor Forest. Yeah. But me have a look at me, can see the river from here. So here takes you to Windsor Forest. Alright. The river is down there. You see the bird? So beautiful up here, it's so serene. Like you up here say you don't want to leave, you don't want to go home. The road gone around this and gone back down there, so that's my vehicle I drive down there, so look on the hill. So guys, it was a pleasure having you all here with me. I won't be able to make it down to London today. It's not possible. Alright. It's almost 6 o'clock, if it's not 6 o'clock already, and I have to walk back to Bethel. So if I even go further, that's gonna be a challenge to get back to Bethel before nightfall. Night still will catch me anyway. I'm tired, I'm literally tired. So I won't be able to make it to Landu today. Alright, that's a vehicle I'm talking about. I don't want a taxi still. Yeah. So we'll head back to Bethel. Alright. Now look how the bus shed they stand up there, so. Yeah guys, so next time we come around here, we'll start off from this location. Alright, Windsor Forest Eco Village. Yeah, so we'll head back up on the road to come back the journey. So guys, right now I'm closer to Albion than to Bethel, which I have to walk back to. And you see, once when you see that sun there go over the hill there, and night peeps, I'm going to show you that because night will catch me. It's going to be dark night before I get back to Bethel. I have to use my phone light to go through them road there. It seems like a joke though, because the sun will blind me after 6. Sun go over there, so it's dark. So I'm going to have to try make my way back out of here before it get really dark. Now drink some water. Yeah guys, I'm really tired. I'm further away from Bethel than Albion, so it will be easier to walk to Albion right now. But me I go back up the road. Now we have came downhill. The whole journey we have come down are just downhill. And now we are go back up and you know that go uphill. So I'm gonna pray for me. I'll catch up with you guys when I get to Bethel. Guys, that's why sometimes I prefer take taxi when I have a vlog. When you park at one end of the world and don't create the video and you have to walk go back to the end of the world, forget the vehicle. When I could have just walk go to Albion and get a taxi. But yeah, I keep on updated, alright? Yeah man, we are go back up the road. It's just totally uphill. I know about 5.5 miles. Yeah, just uphill. So I'll get back to you guys. Go the man off of there, I think there's a landslide. So guys, we saw the community of Bethel, community of Richmond and Richmondville, and the starting of Windsor Forest. Alright, so Bethel is a lovely community. Richmond is not abandoned, it's just not inhabited as I thought it would be. Maybe people live, well, down further it's Windsor Forest, so no one would live further down that would be considered living in Richmond. Yeah, so Richmond has a minimum population, a little bit of people living in Richmond. Yeah, but we see in that community, and it's a nice community. You know, somewhere where we would live. The road was one a little bit better still. The road won't fix, yeah, but it can drive on. So we still have to make our way back up into Bethel. Alright, and for those of you who know the area, who don't know how far I'm there, don't. Alright, so we'll go further. Yeah. Guys, you know, just remember when I walk, I come down, I did find one pen casing. Yeah, and as I'm telling you, you know, I fight with the daylight now. It might look bright, but the camera make it look brighter than it actually is night. I come down, and nobody in our community, literally nobody in our community. Me alone around here more than carry them up past one. I come here, not even. Yeah, I try to head out of the community right now, head out of the place. Yeah, so I'll get back to y'all. Guys, I'm telling you, I'll compete with the night camera dirty. Guys, so I'm telling you, I'll compete with the night. And night this will come down, you know? Yeah? Night this will come down. I'm now off my journey yet. If I reach a better, I head up further. Yeah. I'm like, not even know myself, I see somebody behind me. Like on gate post, and that's when I bush dark. I can't see nothing. And no street light not around here, so guys, I'm gonna bring my light down the day when I should have carried my light, I'm gonna carry it. I'm gonna try and make my way up quick as possible. Yeah, I'll come back to you guys. Guys, that's how the road look now. Little night come down. Yeah, but I try to make it quick. The place are dark, you know, peeps. When night come down, you can't imagine, you know. Watch out. Right now, really a lot darker, just after 7. Whoa, and up here still brighter than down on the flat. This is where I come from. Oh, this dark. But we're trying to make it quick. Yeah guys, so I saw it steer now, so this guy did up there, so it's steer. After the bridge I'm gonna go under to the can't have a seat. So it's signed up there, so can't have a seat. The road that I go up there, so now it's night time guys, and the camera still make it look brighter than it actually is. Yeah, so we still head up the road to Bethel. So guys, all me I walk I can't reach. All me I walk I can't reach. Still not reach it. Yeah, I'm still gonna try. Make it quick. Our vehicle coming. I see how the light them bright. Showing us how late in the night. Yeah. Night time, guys. Yeah, but can't do no better. Here, like me, I hear better still. Just hope I better me, I hear my dog back. Yeah, guys, so we're back in Bethel. Almost reached my park. And here we can finally so come off of this road. Get out of this lonely community. It was very lonely. Yeah, and this is where I come from. Yeah, so I'm gonna reach back at the car, peeps.
Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I really do appreciate the support. And for those of you who didn't catch part 1, trust me, you miss a lot of information in a part 1 with the voiceovers. Alright, in my next video, I'll be returning to that part of the parish, to that area. I'm not gonna say specifically where, but I've identified something that I need to check out. So the next video will be up in that area. Alright, guys, I really do appreciate the support. I appreciate you watching the videos. I know that the videos are long and a lot of you watch the videos in full. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, you see, every time I talk, you want to come talk. Come. And here are peeps. They know where she come from without bush on her and something. But yeah guys, you all stay blessed and have a wonderful evening. Alright?